The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2024 through 2025 and likely beyond Toyota Tacoma short bed. We've just installed the Retrax Pro XR retractable tonneau cover. So the Pro signifying that this is the aluminum slotted version. There's also a polycarbonate version available, but the aluminum is the stronger, more robust system. And the XR signifying that this has the accessory track along the side, with different racks and accessories to it. So it's a locking cover, can be stopped at any position along the length of the rails. Installation is relatively straightforward. You do have to enlarge the drain holes at the bulkhead of the truck. Easy enough to do with a step-down drill bit. Just be careful of making sure that nothing is below when you're drilling through. The rest of the hardware simply mounts to the factory installed tracks on the inside of the bed rail. So there's a canister that everything retracts into, so it does take a little bit up of the bed, roughly 12 by 12, but there is quite a bit of room underneath for other gear and materials. But a great way to keep things out of the elements and locked up nice and secure. Full operation of the tailgate is still available, whether the cover is open or closed, so it doesn't matter. You don't have to open up the cover first to open up the tailgate, so really great feature. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase the complete system with a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. And that's it for this one. Like always, thanks for watching.